Thank you very much, Professor. I feel kind of like Zsa Zsa Gabor's seventh husband. I know what to do, but I don't know if I can make it interesting. Think about it. General Phillips, your remarks were so poignant. And it really goes to the essence. And your beautiful wife, Dawn, her presentation and her heartfelt defense of the allegations that have been put forth about MEK and one of their great leaders. It is a disgrace that this nation has allowed Camp Ashraf to reach this point, where the lives of people have already been taken. I refer to some remarks and questions asked at a hearing by Congressman Rohrabacher, Dana Rohrabacher, when he said, why was a United States unit deployed at Camp Ashraf ordered away just hours before it was viciously attacked? Why? Was that an accident? When the militia under the Iraqi government came in and murdered in cold blood innocent people, killing 34, 8 of whom were women, injuring 300 people? And what did our country do? I probably not that I receive such great access anyway, even when I call repeatedly people at the State Department. They don't even obey court orders from the second highest court in the United States. Right under the Supreme Court of the United States is the Second Circuit. That basically says, we want a decision. We want to know why is MEK still on a terrorist watch list? Why? And they thumb their nose at the law. And how can we hold ourselves out as the protectors of humanity? By the way, we've kept this little puppet, absolute despotic dictator, Maliki, in office. Thousands of U.S. servicemen wounded, giving up their lives. For what? To have a puppet who's dancing to the mullahs in Iran? Hundreds of billions of dollars treasure that belongs to the citizens of this country spent, not to mention the blood and the treasure of our sons and daughters and their sacrifice, to hold 3,400 people who we promised sanctuary to be threatened, to be killed, and oh yes, the greatest joke of all, the greatest travesty of all, to say we have a modern, beautiful setting for you called Camp Liberty, which is nothing more than a modern prison to suppress and kill the hopes and dreams of people and eventually lead to their death. Camp Liberty, what a joke. I have to tell you, I have great respect for Secretary Clinton. I think she's a great secretary. But she is being misled by the policymakers of this country who think that by appeasing the mullahs in Iran by playing games with Maliki that somehow we're going to bring this business about the nuclear development to an end. We'll get a reasonable solution. Teddy Roosevelt said it best: you speak softly but carry a big stick. And it's about time that we sent the signals back to Maliki, to the mullahs, that you're not kidding us. And one of the first things you can do is to let these people go. And you know, for years we've heard, going back to biblical times, let my people go. And that's what we ask for. We ask for truth. We ask for justice. 1996, I spearheaded and led the passage of the Iranian-Libyan Sanctions Act, 1996. That act, if enforced, if we really went to impose sanctions, we could have brought about a difference. We did business with some of the very same companies. I don't name them. Siemens, the great German company. Who do you think helped put together the nuclear program? Siemens, working there. Did we cut them off? Did we impose those sanctions? Oh, no. President after president, Democrat and Republican, no, they suspended them. We're going to be able to work things out with the mullahs. And in 1997, what did we do? We put MEK on the terrorist list. Incredible. People who've worked for President Obama, General Jones, he questions it. He said it shouldn't be on. Louis Freeh, they shouldn't be on. James Woolsey, head of the intelligence agency, brilliant lawyer, scholar, shouldn't be on. And yet we continue this myth. Why? You think by appeasing dictators, do you think by appeasing the Iranian government that somehow they're going to change their policy? Never. It shows weakness. It shows a lack of moral fiber and character. And that's not what our nation is or should be about. And so I say, State Department, wake up and do the right thing for the right reason, and let our people go. Thank you, and God bless you.